Hello guys, I'm just a second shop. This is for the Facebook page and my YouTube page. First off, hang on. Just to fly. First off, I hope you guys have a good 4th of July. And today is Child's Day, and I was. Let me see if I can show. I don't know if I can show the house. Like that one day, if you go through the fence and pass the house, like that one day. Over there is the house I got the Hoover from. I will not give the address, so don't ask me. I can't know her husband through the child service we have in this town, but I was looking around looking for vacuums. But she's made a vacuum on my scooter. Last week I got like 2 bucks at the trash, which was this one, which is a good vacuum. This one was like brand new at the trash. And then my customer over there is probably like a hostage. If you keep going, we went to my customer's house, which was Robin, and she was with me looking for vacuum. Baby, she like exactly shop. Do you want this store? I'm like, how much? She's like $10. I'm like, okay. That, where is
vehicle from Croft Country Chevrolet? You definitely paid too much.
Keep it, trust my juggies. Power!